The strength kit is custom designed by Stroops to match programming using all 5 hooks on the device. First, 2 short bands attached to 2 handles and are mainly used in the top 3 hooks for upper body moves, although they can be used in the 2 lower hooks if you're sitting down. There are 2 long bands that attach to 2 loops used in the bottom 2 hooks for lower body moves, such as hip abduction and leg curls, stuff like that. The idea is that you stick your foot through the loops as opposed to having to bend over. All bands come with a 2-year warranty, which is a lot more than you're going to get on a generic band. Next are the training straps, which are designed for folks who struggle to keep their hands within an inch of the handlebars. To attach, take the one with the blue tab and attach it to the left side like this. Attach to the right side the same way. Finally, we have grip pads for the stretching pegs, which you can slide on by wetting the insides lightly with water first. Once on, remember they gotta be cut to be removed.